this Chinesism. Like almost everything, every other keyboard, except for maybe Topper, Leopold, maybe the new Unicomp. But this one was only $82. And it is the Royal Kludge brown Gatron switch with RGB, 3 wireless modes. Supposedly very sketchy software, but almost everything you need to do can be done via hardware. So I was hoping for the best. Here's the packaging. It's a few extra switches included. And a decent little package. Very minimal package, which is preferable. And this Bluetooth, wireless G, off on, USB-C. I will now try this initially. Two USB ports, only powerable with USB, but not wirelessly. RGB, PBT keycaps, OEM profile, it's the charging LED. I assume numbers lock, cap lock, could be Wi-Fi, could be Bluetooth, who knows. Let's see. Screen. I like this mode. Glow. I like glow. Looks like glow in multicolors. Targetoid. Lightning. Wider spread. The good ones are that one. Multicolor glow. Change the backlight speed. So let's do that too. Let's slow it down. So easy to understand. Comes with a cord. Comes with a keycap puller. Comes with a switch puller. These switches are Gateron Browns. Tactile, 45 grams. So these switches are there. They got 4 to replace. Good. Let's see how the switches look like. LED is north. PBT keycaps, but so it's double shot, shine through, but very thin. There are indexes on the bottom, about 3 millimeters on the bottom of J and F, and on 5, but not on the arrow keys. I can mark the arrow keys with a heated needle. Lots of mistakes. 104 words per minute. Good enough. This is an acceptable keyboard. Slightly cramped, but not too bad. Very compact. I like it. Should I check the Bluetooth? I have to charge it first. There's no indicator except for lighting when it's percentage charged. Hefty. No flex. About 14 1/3 inches by about 5 inches wide, which is 36 1/2 by 11 3/4 wide. Thickness 3 in the back to about 1 3/4 centimeters thick in the front. Space bar, probably feel also PBT, thin PBT, thin but adequate. So this is the Royal Kludge RK100.